Welcome to part 1 of cleaning the main dispenser nozzle. Today we'll be covering the use, care, and maintenance of the CVA 6000 series built-in coffee system. For demonstration purposes, we'll be using the CVA 6800. Please refer to your operating instructions for details regarding your specific model. The appliance requires periodic manual cleaning to optimize performance and appearance. Be aware that each component has specific requirements. If in doubt, always wash by hand. Refer to the list from your operating instructions. In this video, we'll show you how to remove and disassemble the main dispenser nozzle. We're now going to access the dispenser nozzles. They're located here under this cover. Now on the CVA 6800, this cover must be removed by first placing it into the maintenance position. Once it's in the maintenance position, the cover can be removed and the dispenser nozzles can then be removed. In order to access the maintenance program, I will now turn on the machine. It will go through a rinse. And the dispenser will retract. Now in order to choose the maintenance position, so I'll just confirm with OK. I will go to Main Menu and choose Maintenance, and I'll choose Clean the Main Dispenser. Remove the milk container and store in a cool place. As you can see, the milk container is already removed. So I'll just confirm with OK, and take containers out from under the dispenser. Again, there are no containers underneath the dispenser, so I'll just choose OK. Now the dispenser assembly is extending. Clean the dispenser and the milk pipe work according to the operating instructions. Press the OK button to leave the maintenance position. Now right now we want it in the maintenance position because I want to access the dispenser nozzles. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this cover and I'm going to pull it off. And we can now see the dispenser nozzles. In order to remove the dispenser nozzles, we're going to release the catch, grab the handle, and pull it forward and off. The sensor cover is located here. As you can see, it moves. And if you listen carefully, you can hear that it's actually activating a micro switch, which will stop the dispenser assembly from extending any further in case it contacts a cup. To remove the sensor cover, you'll see there are clips here and here on the opposite side. So I'm going to depress both at once, at the same time, and the cover will drop. Now, for the purposes of proper and thorough cleaning, I'm going to disassemble the main dispenser nozzle. So we're going to hold the dispenser at the sides and pull it forward to release. We're going to turn the upper connecting piece and pull it upwards to remove it. And we're going to remove the lower connecting piece in the same way. The Y piece will remain in place. Pull off the dispenser nozzles and clean all parts thoroughly. Please note, heavily soiled parts should be soaked in hot, soapy water to loosen the soiling prior to washing by hand. This concludes part 1 of cleaning the main dispenser nozzle. Please join us for part 2 where we'll cover cleaning and reassembly.